Speak English. This is my channel. I am your lecturer, presenter and speaker, Dr. Taj Firdausi. My dear students, many times I have been telling you, the way of speaking is very important because face is the index of mind. Whenever someone comes and stands and you meet someone, the first thing what you see is his look, his face, his clothes. And next, the way that he speaks, the way he meets you, the way his movement. Number 3, the way he talks, the way he delivers the words. That reflects, that shows his speaking skill, his knowledge. A man who doesn't look nice with a bad look, the moment he comes, 50% he is discarded. You throw him out. Like use and throw type. Throw. And if he's got bad manners, then another 50% gone. And above all, when he comes and says, how do you do? Oh, I'm very pleased to see you, boy. How are you? How are you? Oh, bro. He is 100% zero. Gone, finished. The man who is standing in front of you will like this. Hi, bro. How are you, bro? His existence has no meaning. His existence has no meaning. Whatever language you speak, I am not against any language. Any language that you speak perfectly. You will be one of the best authors. You may write beautiful books. You can write poems. You can write scripts. You can write letters. You can present presentations. Everything is fine. But what about your delivery of that? Are you speaking the same way that English has to be spoken? Oh, yes, I am speaking because from LKG, HKG, I am in school with English medium. And what language are you speaking? Oh, the same thing, my teacher was speaking like that. What did your teacher say? And the teacher said, oh, boys, girls, come and sit down. What you're doing now is look at the board. And all the children, yes, ma'am, yes, teacher. And what about your maths? Students, today I am teaching you the law of gravity. The law of gravity is Newton's first law, second law and the third law. Newton's gravity law speaks about what is this? The teachers have no language. The primary schools have no language how to speak. And even the lecturers have no language how to speak. Above all, the so-called officials everywhere, no English-speaking language. They are speaking, but what kind of language is that? Just turn on your TV, turn on and keep a channel, South Indian, see the news and look at the news broadcaster in the north, in east, in the west. Anywhere you turn on and you close your eyes and the moment you listen to it, you will say that, oh, this is from Bangladesh. This is from Tamil Nadu. This is from Malayalam. This man speaks English like Hindi. So, English, Malayalam English, Tamil English, Hindi English, Chinese English, Philippine English, Arabian English. Forget about all these English languages. And why do I speak that? Because whenever I see that in English language, whenever there are things to select, and there is written there, English US, English UK. Okay, these two. Indian English. What's that Indian English? That is a subcategory. It is not at all English. So what do you want to say, Dr. Taj? Change your speaking. Change your language first. There are classes on phonetics. First you learn that. Whether you are a professional, you are a very great speaker, or whether you are a politician, or whether you are a doctor or PhDs, or you are a high school graduate or a primary school. Listen first. The first and the foremost thing is, if the medium of instruction is English, the teachers, the lecturers, the principals, everybody should learn phonetics, and then the teacher should teach phonetics first. First 3-4 months from LKG, they should teach phonetics. The children should know about it. And before that, the teacher should learn phonetics. If someone doesn't know, better just throw. Where do we get these? From Regional Institute of English, or RIE, or CIFL. Go to those things, or to the centers where English is taught. For example, I'm a proficient English teacher to teach phonetics, to teach how to deliver language and speak English. So contact some people like that and see that if you are a businessman, if you are a doctor, and if you are a professional person, sit for about 10 hours and learn everything, and when you speak, the people should know that this is called the language, this is English. Take care. I don't want to speak and lament every time on this one. Learn perfect spoken English. If you are running an institute and if you got a big group of people, you want to learn, and as a group, contact me. The number is already given there, and I'm here to help you. Bye, take care.